Okay, on the bench today we have Asus Chromebook model C423N. Came in with no power, it just died. Giving the board a quick visual. Always best to do a visual, look for bent components, corrosion, anything like that. Again, I need to make sure you can see the whole of the board, due to the fact you're missing some where I can see it through the microscope because my field of view is far greater. Have a quick look on the other side. Not a lot on the side. Nothing jumping out at the moment. Okay. There's no bent components. So I'm going to check all the power lines on here. Any shorts. That one's pretty low. Looks like a short. Carry on looking. Obviously you've got to be aware. Some of these may be low due to CPU. Resistance on that's going to be quite low. Or like I'm doing here, the diode reading. There's only one so far that looks a bit low. That's pretty low. It's probably CPU. Okay, back to this one. Open the board view on it. Check it. It's a 5-volt line. So I decide to jump straight in and inject voltage. Check with thermal camera, see what's getting up. There I am with the probe, putting on that inductor, and there's something there getting pretty warm. There's the offending chip. It's getting hot. Need to get that off, get that replaced. Not actually got any in stock here at the moment. I have to get that ordered. taken the chip off. It didn't record again. As you can see, chip's off. So I'm going to come in and clean the pads. Put a bit of leaded on it. And then wick it all off. Give it a clean up. Had the iron set to 350. I think it may have been a bit low and I knocked it up to about 380. Add a bit more flux. That's all wicked off. Give the board a nice clean now. Need an IPA and then my lint-free cloth. Just have a look, quick look around the board, and that's a bit more over there. Give that clean. That's the reason I don't like putting too much flux on, because it tends to go anywhere. Right, give the board a test, put it all back together. See if it powers up now without that chipping. Okay, we have life.